Well, we've had a nice about 2-week stretch of just quiet weather, and that potentially comes to an end as we head towards the upcoming weekend. Yes, so the holiday travel, if you have people traveling within the family, this upcoming weekend could potentially be impacted by some snow and some rain moving into the area here coming up this upcoming weekend. Outside currently, the good news is we're quiet and we'll stay quiet tonight. Temperatures are right at 29 degrees. Those winds are out of the west at about 15 miles per hour. So some breezy conditions so far this evening. As we look at our current temperatures right now, sitting at 30 in Plainview, 29 now here in Rochester. So finally falling down into the 20s. Still into the lower 30s in northeastern Iowa. So temperatures fairly nice today, at a high of 34 degrees. It's well above normal for this time of year. Still have some cloud cover, so cloudy skies will continue at least through the first half of your night. But notice off to our west, slowly thinning those clouds out, so we might be able to get some clearer skies late tonight into early Friday morning. Now, our next weather maker will be coming out of the Rockies Friday night into Saturday morning, and it looks like right now the track of this low pressure system keeps us just barely in the warm sector. So let's break it down with some of the details that we have as of now. Our next weather maker moving through early Saturday morning and extending into Monday. So yes, both Saturday and Sunday we have the chance for some precipitation. Right now with the track of this storm, we're kind of in the mixing layer where I think we could see some light snow early on in the morning on Saturday, then slowly changing over to rain throughout most of the afternoon. So we will be in the warm sector. Definitely during the afternoon we'll see some rain, but in the early morning, mid-morning, we could have a little bit of a rain-snow mix. We could have some snow accumulations of upwards of about a ½ inch to an inch in some isolated areas. So Futurecast, let's time everything out here. This system by about 2 p.m. Friday afternoon will be starting to make it into the upper Midwest, for the most part into the central Great Plains. By early Saturday morning, I think that's when we have our chance for some light snow. Accumulations will be minor, but still will impact travel this upcoming weekend. And watch the mixing layer, the pink and purple colors there on the screen. Notice by about 9 a.m. temperatures will be right around the freezing point by about 9-10 o'clock in the morning. So we'll still have some slight mixing, and I think that's when we start to completely change over to rain. During the afternoon, notice the snowfall staying towards northern Minnesota and into the Dakotas by about 9 o'clock Saturday night. As we head towards Sunday, though, we'll start to get this wraparound effect, which we call the trowel portion of a low pressure system. Eventually, the rainfall moves out. I think we could have some light snow then throughout to the afternoon and evening on Sunday. So timing precipitation type out a little bit. We're really looking at rain through the majority of this system. But early on Saturday morning, I think we could see some snow even mixed in with some sleet and some rainfall as well until about 9-10 o'clock in the morning. Then we'll completely change over to rainfall throughout the afternoon and evening. So your forecast in for tonight, 22 degrees for that overnight low. We're mostly cloudy. You don't have to worry about precipitation tonight or most of the day tomorrow. 31 degrees for the high. Overall, a nice day with those high temperatures still above normal. Then this weekend, that's when we deal with the wintry mix and some rainfall again, starting to see complete rain by about 10 to noon on Saturday. A little bit of a wintry mix Sunday, light snow Monday, and then quiet again next week. I think this is our one major system that we'll be tracking here through the next probably 7 to 10 days. I think we have another quiet weather stretch coming up next week as well. Interesting to see the possibility for 30s again next week. Yeah, right around the corner again next week. We have a little dip down Monday and Tuesday, and then right back to the mid to lower 30s next week. But that winter weather bump in the middle. Yes. Okay, thanks, Nick. Here's a look at what's ahead tonight on KGTC.